Hello again guys, welcome to another video. So today I'll be reviewing the Fifine k683 microphone, which is right here. So nakapalit ko bagong microphone for upgrades, maybe for streaming or recording videos. And akong microphone sa una is only the basic condenser phone, which nakita na nimo sa Lazada or Shopee, which is tag 1k or less than 1k. That is the BM800 microphone condenser. So let's start unboxing the video. Okay, so I ordered this on Lazada last Saturday or Sunday. Then it arrived on Friday. So hapit siya mo 1 week or 1 week kay sa madugay siya sa depende sa courier kung ano sa mahatod. So gikan na siya Lazada, I purchased it on the 8/8 sale, which is tag 3,000 ra. I think tag 3,200 na din naka sale, which is 3,000 plus voucher pa. So 3,000 ra kung pagpalit. And then when we open the box, napa siya resibo, naka well pack ang item jud, so safe jud guys siya. And then it's my first time nga makita ko resibo sa item. Kada palit na ko kay usually palit ko Shopee or Lazada, wala gina siya resibo. So una naka bubble wrap gud ang item, very safe and sound. So na kung pastorya eh. So when we see the box, very minimalistic design, na siya microphone on the front, and then fine also on the front of the box. When we first open the box, ang una na to makitan is a user guide, which is nadiya tanan mga item, mga importante nga unsay ganan gamiton nimo sa microphone. And then you're gonna see a box here, which is accessory package, then the microphone, which is very simple. Okay, na siya sa front, na siya volume knob, and then na siya mute button. So if di ka ganahan mutingog, if nag-stream ka or nag-record, then nisud mo mama or nakaidiganhan misulti, magyaw-yaw ka, so you can press the mute button. And accessory package, which is nadya tanan ang stand o ang wire sa microphone. And then napod siya free pop filter, which is very convenient for a 3,000 microphone, budget microphone. Very worth it, you guys. Yeah. So you'll see here the stand. Muna siya ang stand sa microphone. I ordered the K683B. So lahi siya stand sa K683A. Ang microphone is na siya wired, which is na siya USB type C, and then napod siya USB type A and B. So ang gamit sa USB type C is for Mac users. So if you're using a Mac, you can also use this microphone, which is very convenient, diba? Nice kayo, complete na siya tanan. And then USB type B also for your PC or laptop if wala ka type C. And then to USB type A, so wala na siya pang printer nga wire. So that's it for the box. You get the microphone, the user's manual, the accessory package with a free pop filter, and then a stand. So that's it for the microphone. As you can see, for the whole video, muna gani akong gigamit nga microphone. Ganahan jud kay ko, it's a big upgrade since gikan man kog BM800 microphone. And then if ganahan ka og kanang for streaming microphone or ganahan jud ka mag-upgrade, then this is a good budget microphone for you. Let's try actually na siya volume knob. Actually if mag stream ko, if mag-record ko or mag-stream, I usually put the volume knob on 60. to 50 to 60% para di ka siya saba. So using 30%. So this is me mic test using the Fifine k683B microphone. Mic test 1 2 3. Okay. So ato i-try na pog set sa 50%. So only 50%. Mic test 1 2 3. Microphone testing 1 2 3. Fifine k683B microphone testing. And then let's try to put it on 75%. Again, this is the Fifine k683 at 75% volume. Mic test. Okay, so let's try on 100%. Testing the microphone with on 100% volume knob. Volume. So rag saba na kay siya, no, as you can see, rag mabungol na mo, and ma-pick up na niya ang volume sa akong electric fan which is nasa akong kilid. Yes, okay, so saba na jud kay siya, diba? So before I end the video, I forgot to mention that this the polar pattern sa microphone is Cardioid pattern. So mustorya ra ka sa front of the microphone which is nari ang logo. So if nari ang logo sa Fifine and the volume knob and also the mute button, so nari tanan. So if mustorya ka sa likod sa microphone, which is di na siya madungog, so that's what the Cardioid pattern is for. So sa atubangan lang yung makuha, so gamay ra siya makuha sa left, sa right, and sa likod. Would I recommend this to my friends and other people who wants to buy budget microphone? Yes, very. I really recommend this buying the microphone. So daghan pa sila og kanang product sa Fifine, which is you can search it on their website, or you can search it on Lazada or Shopee. But this microphone is really good for streaming, for recording podcast, or whatever you're doing. Your musician. I can't speak, I'm so sorry. If kanan ka magkanta-kanta ni, okay ra sad kayo. So that's it, guys. So ang ako alang opinion ani nga microphone is it's a very good budget microphone jud. Nadyo ko naganahan pagid sa Fifine microphone, which is the k678. I think wala siya katong Blue Yeti, wala siya pina-Blue Yeti nga microphone, which is dako kay siya nga microphone and very bugat jud kay siya. But nagtanaw kog mga review sa YouTube, I think mas ganahan pa ko ani kay na siya free pa filter, na siya free stand, but or ako ningon hang mas bati ito, pero para nako lang at like ganahan ako magasto ani kay sale po siya atong 88 sa Lazada. So I'll be sharing the link on the description if you want to buy this microphone. I'll be streaming, I think magbalik na kog streaming maybe next week, or I don't know, kay magklase na sagbalik, so I don't know yet. So that's it for the review, guys. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. It's my first unboxing video, so I'll try to improve my video next time. Okay, if you like the video, guys, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos soon. I'll be making a podcast, maybe, I don't know, depende sa kung mood. But that's it for this video, guys. As always, trust the process and hold the vision, and that's it for the video, guys. Goodbye.